I'm in Hathersage this morning at the Alpkit Gravel ride from the shop. This is Adam, the manager of the shop, and I understand it's a charity ride. It costs a tenner, cheap as chips. And what does the money actually go towards, Adam?
So the money goes towards the Alpkit Foundation.
I can't encourage you enough to do this event. It's really cheap. We've got coffee and cake after, is
Coffee
that right?
and cake,
Brilliant.
a bit of soup as well to warm the cockles, and hopefully we'll have a fire on.
Fantastic. So it's also an opportunity to get to know this area, have loads of laughs. It's not a race, do whatever you like, and it's a shared mud experience today, I think.
Really muddy. Well, I did it on Tuesday, so...
This circular route starts outside the Alpkit shop in Hathersage and takes in numerous hills and valleys, visiting places such as Eyam, the Monsal Trail, Mam Tor and Castleton.
Just outside Hathersage now. Johnny's with Hathersage. If you go south, then you're on one quite busy road. The only way's up. On this big, beautiful climb. Tiny road. Yeah, I think quite warmed up now. Laughing. So this here is the Sir William Hill track. Beautiful, isn't it? And you think how much rain we've had recently. It's brilliant to ride. It's wonderful. Now we're going to go downhill, and I think we're going towards Longstone. Yay! I'm down in Eyam now. That was a very exciting byway descent. Bottom part of it's really rideable, so right, on the road now, so let's start concentrating. This here is Longstone Moor. Nice, eh? Right, moving towards Longstone Edge now, on a paved bit, but on some grass. You wouldn't believe how wet grass can be. It's flipping nuts. But it's really lovely. And I've got too many clothes on, and the sun's come out. Always tricky in autumn. This is Longstone Edge in all its glory. I love it up here so much. So here I am at Monsal Viaduct, everybody's favourite place. Easy track now. I think we're going down to Millersdale, somewhere like that. Boop boop. I'm behind you. Oh, hello.
Thank you. 64.
We've just completed a torturous climb up from the Monsal Trail. We're now heading over really towards the direction sort of the Broken Road, Mam Tor direction. I'm not quite sure at the moment whether that's where we'll actually end up, but that's the general direction. We've ridden on small roads bridleways, polished wet limestone, part of the bridleways, and some byways. Oh, and the Monsal Trail. So a real mixture of things. It's been brilliant actually, and the weather gods have been very kind today. And we've got sun. Last week we had flooding. Now we've got this. Well, that's a bit of Pete's District joy, isn't it, really? So, yeah, it's good. What you're witnessing now is the walk of shame. A bit of steep, wet limestone joy on the Pennine Bridleway. All part of the fun, all part of the fun. Yeah, well done, little bottom bracket. Mummy give you a nice wash, inside and out. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Look. Everybody's out. But who can blame them, because it's a beautiful day. God. Well, that was the descent off Mam Tor via the broken road. It's wonderful. You have to choose the route as you go down, but it's beautiful. I think we just bombed down this road now. It takes us down to Castleton and then along to Hathersage. So a really easy finish to what really has been quite a challenging route because of the weather last week. Last week they had big floods here in Castleton, and today we're out riding our bikes. So it is what it is. But you know, it is winter, and I think sometimes you have to take the rough for the smooth. Well, that's a wrap for another year at the Hathersage Gravel event. Really enjoyed it. And we've got a fire here, people sitting around drinking soup and eating mince pies and all that sort of stuff. But it's been really lovely and with a great group of people. So look out for the dates for the next one, and maybe I'll even see you at some of the other events. Take care, have fun.